2 days.
Longer, like,
So,
stay 2 weeks.
3 weeks you can stay. I'll tell you how. After 5 to 8, it will get dry by itself. Then you can touch your skin, move your skin. Don't wash. As long you can keep 2 hours, 3 hours, best.
Ilang babayad ng kanila, mami? Mami, ako nang babayad ng akin. Mami,
Siyempre naman.
oh.
Ano, binigyan na kayo?
Do you accept card? We accept card, but we charge 5 dirham for transaction.
No.
Right.
May 10 dirhams ako dun sa bag ko. 20 dirhams ata yun.